In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of buttons on the Dawn theme in Shopify. Whether you're updating your online store's aesthetic to match your brand or just want a fresh look, customizing button colors is a simple yet impactful way to enhance your store's visual appeal. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin account from your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find the Online Store tab. Click on it. This will lead you to a new page where you'll see your current theme. Here, you'll want to click on the Customize button next to the Dawn theme. This action will open up the theme editor, which is a powerful tool for making a variety of personal design changes to your storefront. Within the theme editor, you'll see a row of menu items down the left side. Among them, you'll find one labeled Theme Settings. Go ahead and click on that. As you click, you'll be introduced to a selection of customizable options. Your next step is to select Colors from this menu. This section provides you with the flexibility to tweak various color attributes across your store. Now, focus your attention on the catalog of color options presented to you. You're looking for the section related to buttons, sometimes labeled as buttons or accent colors. This is where you'll be making your changes. You'll see color swatches that display the current button color settings. Click on the swatch of the button color you'd like to alter. A color picker tool should appear, giving you a palette of colors to choose from. If you have a specific color in mind, such as your brand's unique shade, you can use the hex code of the desired color for precise accuracy. Just enter the hex code into the box, and watch your button color update accordingly. Alternatively, you can choose from the available color presets if you're feeling a bit adventurous and wish to experiment. After you've settled on the perfect button color, it's crucial to preview these changes before making them live. You can do this easily within the theme editor. Simply use the preview button at the top of the screen to see how your new button color appears across different pages on your site. Once you're satisfied with your selection, don't forget to click the Save button at the top right corner of the page. This step is vital to ensure all the hard work and creative choices you've made don't go to waste. And there you have it. Customizing the button color on your Shopify store using the Dawn theme is as straightforward as following these steps. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your newly personalized store look, and happy selling!